It's okay. You can put him down.
Are we going to take him in the temple?
Hi, cutie. I'm taking a little video. So say hello.
Hello. We're at the Temple of Dendora.
We're at the Temple of Dendora.
Are we going to take him inside?
Yes, let's go inside, Teddy. Let's go
Into the
inside.
temple. This way. This way.
Go say hi to these. Hi. Do you want to pick him up and take him in?
Yeah.
And we'll...
Yeah.
Yeah. He loves it. It's nice to see him like it so much.
Really?
I thought he would like the big open spaces the best, you know.
I don't know if I'm allowed to. It's unattended. I just want to see his face.
Yeah, you can leave it there. You can put him. Let's see. Wait, where are you gonna go, Teddy? Let's see what you're gonna do. Straight to the edge. What is so funny? Teddy. Turn around. Turn around. Let's go to the temple. No, let's go to the temple. Museum voice, Teddy. Museum voice. Okay, let's bring you in the temple.
Come.
Let's bring you.
Would be particularly meaningful.
Perhaps. Teddy, don't throw up in here, okay? No, don't do that either. Hey, Teddy, I love you. Do you like the mat? Shake it if you like it.